Alright, so in this video I'm going to be looking at drawing page 2, part number 8. Again, I'm going to start out by drawing what my top view should look like. Top view should look something like this. Right, I see this shape here, as well as the top of this kind of triangle wedge shape. I've got AutoCAD opened up. I'm going to use my line tool and draw a line across the bottom, and then up. Use my offset tool and offset 5 inches. Offset the height is 2.5. Right, but then again I want to keep space. Right, so there's my width is 5. My height is 2.5. I want to keep space between my views, so I'm going to give it 1 inch. Offset 1, hit enter. Back on my blueprint, the width of my right side view and the height of my top view is 1.5 or 1.5. So I'm going to offset 1.5. Then use my trim tool to trim out these remaining lines. Giving me space for my top, front, and right side view. Alright, so there's my top, front, right side view box. Going back to my blueprint, I can see that this line here is offset 1 1/4 or 1.25. So I'm going to offset 1.25. Hit enter. I'm going to do it on my front view as well as my right side view. Back to my blueprint here. This thickness is 3/4 or 0.75. So I'm going to offset 0.75. Hit enter. I'm going to do the same thing up on top. The last thing I need to offset is this distance here, which is 2.5 or 2.5. Offset 2.5, hit enter. I will do the same thing on my front view. Now I'm going to use my trim command. I'm just going to select everything, hit enter. Trim out the pieces I don't need on my front view, so that's complete. Trim out what I don't need on my right side view, so that's complete. On my front view, I do need to add this angle. Now I can come back through with my trim command. Again, select everything, hit enter, and trim out what I don't need. That gives me my top, front, and right side view, just like my blueprint. Now I'm going to add my dimensions. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dimensions. Switch to your dimension layer. Click on linear. I have a dimension that goes from here to here. I have an overall dimension. I have an overall height dimension. The height of this piece I need my 2 thicknesses up on top. Dimension there, and I have a dimension there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that completes drawing page 2, part number 8. Thank you.